Hello everyone, it is Donna Bell, and I am here to show you one of our kits that my husband and I have put together. And it comes, let me measure it to show you the size. It comes with the pumpkin, and the pumpkin is about, let's see, move it on up so you can see, almost 11 inches tall by about 12 inches wide, and then the stem starts about right there, so it's about 4 to 5 inches tall. So overall, from the top of the stem down to the bottom, it's about 14 inches. Okay. Alright. My husband spray paints it. It will come already spray painted, so you don't have to worry about that. Comes with 4 napkins that I have Mod Podged onto it, and I did layer mine now. If you're very careful with the way that you tear it and do it out, you can layer it, and I'll lift it up to show you. The layering does not show. Okay. You just have to be careful how you layer it when you're tearing your napkin and you're doing the pumpkins, how you do that. Alright, it comes with 1 sunflower, comes with 2 felt leaves, and the colors may be different in each package. It comes with a variety, and then a variety of these silk leaves. Now, if you need more leaves or you don't like the leaves that come in it, you can go to Dollar Tree, and they come in a pack for $1. You can get those up for $1 at Dollar Tree, or at Dollar General. I did add glitter to mine. If you don't have glitter, you can go to Dollar General or Hobby Lobby. I got mine at Dollar General, and I think it was $1 or $2. And I picked up this iridescent glitter. It is Art Skills Crafter's Closet Glitter Iridescent. And after I Mod Podged my napkins on, I went back over the entire pumpkin with the layer of the Mod Podge and the stem, and I did it before I glued the stem on, and I sprinkled my glitter over the entire thing. Now you can just sprinkle your glitter over this part and leave this part blank. I did it over the entire thing, and I love the way that it come out. Kind of looks sugared. Okay, so it comes with everything you need to do this look. This little piece does not come with it. I had this on hand, and I will be gluing it there, and then adding a burlap bow or something to mine, because I'm going to hang mine. But it comes with everything in the kit, and the kit will be for sale in my Etsy shop, Shiny Treasure Designs, here soon. I want to get it out to my design team first, so we can get the videos done. But if you're in my Facebook group, Shabby Chic, Pretty and Sweet, and you would like one ahead of time, go ahead and message me, and I will get one out to you. The kit is going to be $12. And like I said, plus shipping, and it comes with everything here except for this. Everything you see here comes in the kit. So if you're interested, go ahead and message me, and I will get one out to you. Thank you. God bless, and have a good day. Bye-bye.